Introduction. Welcome to Wellness Bliss. Today let's disclose the allure of one of nature's most vivid gems, the plum, a fruit that's not merely a delight for your palate but also a pleasure for your health and soul. Imagine clutching a little globe of succulent and pulpy perfection, its smooth skin gleaming in hues of royal purple, golden yellow, or crimson red. The moment you grab a bite, an explosion of sweet, tart flavor bounces on your tongue, arousing your senses and rejuvenating your spirit. That's the strength of the plum, simple yet spectacular. Plums are one of nature's priceless treasure. Member of the prunus family, shares a family with peaches, cherries, and apricots. Plums impart a splash of color and an eruption of zesty sweet flavor to our meal. Plums have been enjoyed from centuries, often known as the fruit of vitality in several customs, from the aromatic orchards of Asia to the sunlit gardens of Europe. These pulpy jewels have traversed the world, imparting centuries of health, flavor, and aesthetic appeal. However, beneath their delectable flavor lies a realm of wonder. Each plum is a nutrient-dense present, brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that nurture your body from the inside out. Whether you consume them fresh off the tree, baked into desserts, or turned into prunes, plums are small drops of nature's sweetness with a goal. They don't only appease your cravings, they detoxify, restore, and invigorate, enabling your body to radiate with inherent vitality. So if you are eager to learn how this modest fruit can carry a crack of flavor, freshness, and wellness into your life, stay tuned because plums are going to reveal that huge advantages frequently appear in these little juicy packets. 1. The beauty promoter from nature. Plums are like eatable skincare substances. Stuffed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they revitalize your skin, diminish dark spots, and delay aging process from within. Every bite functions like a natural glistening serum that makes your skin shimmery with a sprightly sparkle. 2. The heart sweet champion. Small but mighty, plums are enriched with potassium and phytonutrients that vitalize your heart, maintain normal level of cholesterol, and escalate blood circulation. They are your heart's scrumptious bodyguard, defending with each juicy bite. 3. The mood elevating miracle. Feeling drained, pick a plum. Its natural substances help soothe your mind, relieve stress, and enliven your mood. It's like a bite-sized felicity amplifier straight from nature's pharmacy. 4. The pleasant detox dynamo. Disregard intense purges. Plums cleanse your body gently. Their fiber and antioxidants drive out toxins, purify your liver, and maintain the vitality, agility, and cleanliness of your system. 5. The bone builder's hidden weapon. Concealed inside that soft flesh is the treasure of vitamin K, magnesium, and boron, nutrients that make your bones stronger, flexible, and healthier. Plums are the most powerful snack in disguise. 6. The slimming hero. Sweet, pulpy, and guilt-free. Plums are lesser in calories and abundant in fiber, keeping you fuller for longer periods while augmenting metabolism. It's your palatable companion in maintaining healthy body weight. 7. The memory and focus booster. Plums strengthen your mind with antioxidants that shield brain cells and surge blood flow. They augment focus, memory, and lucidity, assisting your brain stay young and healthy. 8. The internal energy reviver. Feeling drained, plums are teeming with natural sugars and iron that escalate vitality and beat fatigue, offering you a rejuvenating blast of energy without any damage. Plums are more than just a fruit, they are nature's health supplements. From glistening skin to a cheerful heart and a sound mind, every juicy bite carries you closer to the flourishing and blooming. Plums are not just sapid, they are tremendously versatile. Whether you like them fresh, baked, or blended, these luscious pearls can transform any dish, drink, or beauty ritual into something candidly special. Let's explicate the most inventive and congenial methods to consume plums every day. 1. Fresh and spectacular snack. Chomp a ripe plum for an explode of succulent sweetness. Ideal for midday snack urgings. It's a natural candy that appeals your taste buds and fulfill your energy. Faultless and invigorating. 2. Plum detox water or smoothie charm. Introduce sliced plums to water or merge them into a smoothie for a zesty detox drink. It not only seems ravishing but also sucker cleans your body and freshens your skin from inside. 3. Plum salad. Give your salads a wriggle of exquisiteness. Mix fresh plum slices with spinach, feta and nuts for a sweet, tart crack of flavor. It's a bowl of tint, munch and health. 4. Divine desserts. From plum tarts to puddings and pastries, plums make every dessert more heavenly. Their lavish flavor bestows a touch of deluxe and warmth to any sweet desserts. 5. Homemade nutritious jam or sauce. Transform plums into a plushy jam or sauce that pairs amazingly with bread, yogurt, pancakes or even salty meals. Its taste is like a sunshine in a jar. 6. Appetizing culinary innovation. Plum sauce is a hidden weapon in Asian cooking. Employ it as a glaze for grilled meats, tofu or roasted veggies. It imparts a scrumptious blend of sweet and piquant flavor that's simply tempting. 7. Plum enhance beauty. Who noticed? The plums contain vitamins that can be utilized in DIY face masks or hair packs that will confer you luminous skin and lustrous hair. It's spectacular straight from your kitchen. 8. Relish frozen plums. Create popsicles or freeze plum slices for a chilled, nutritious, pleasant summer delight that is sugary, vibrant and rejuvenating. In addition to fruit, plums are innovative inspiration for your kitchen, your wellness and even your beauty rituals. So next time you look a basket of plums, consider beyond the bite. Contemplate transformation, flavor and wellness.